What are most common anxiety triggers जो आप patients में देखते हो?
A lot depends upon the age group. So when I talk about children, nowadays the commonest triggers we see is exams, especially with the board exams coming up. That is one of the very, very commonest triggers. Unfortunately, we're seeing relationship issues as well. Nowadays, the concept of girlfriend, boyfriend has percolated to much younger age. So there we are seeing relationship issues as well. And then, of course, there are some illnesses which make you more prone, like if someone has autism, if someone has ADHD, they are more prone to anxiety disorders as well. So those sort of things are there when we think about the younger age group. As you move older, job issues, relationship issues, small things can trigger anxiety, like taking a flight, commuting day to work, the problems in taking a bus, in getting an auto, the public transport issues. So those sort of
अगर
things.
किसी को इतने कॉमन चीजों में ट्रिगर हो जाता है तो हर वक्त वो दवाई नहीं ले सकता, तो कैसे एड्रेस करेगा? लेट्स से ऑटो का ही एंजाइटी है कि मुझे ऑटो में बैठने में डर लगता है पर मेरा कम्यूट का यही बेस्ट जरिया है, तो मैं क्या करूं?
That's where the role of therapy comes in. So what we do is we gradually desensitize the patient.
Okay.
And help them sort of learn how to cope with this anxiety. So like as I said, there are people who have problems in flights. We always don't give the medication. We help them learn how to cope with that anxiety. That's where the relaxation therapy, that's where the other ways of building up your resilience and coping skills come up. So that's where the role of therapy comes up.
For one very common example for this is कुत्तों का डर. I know people who take much longer route just because उस side वहाँ पे कुत्ते ज़्यादा है तो मैं वो route नहीं लूँगा, उधर से आऊँगा.
We skip that part. So when we talk about anxiety disorders, there are groups of disorders. This is not just one disorder. So one of the commonest disorders, what we were discussing till now, was the generalized anxiety disorder. Other than that, there are other disorders under the umbrella of anxiety disorders as well. Okay. So there are disorders, what we call social anxiety disorder. So you put them in a social situation, they can't function. But if you put them alone, they can function very well. Exactly. So what you're describing is phobias. So people have specific triggers which trigger anxiety. किसी को छिपकली से होता है, किसी को डॉग से होता है, किसी को. So these are what we call specific phobias. Again, there are ways to manage that, but here the major role is of therapy. So what we call is graded exposure. So we do that sort of work. Like I had a patient who had a very severe sort of panic attack when she would see a छिपकली. लेकिन अब घर में छिपकली तो आएंगी, गैरेज में जाएंगी, वो गाड़ी चलाते थे, गाड़ी चलाना छोड़ दिए. So what do we do? So we started working with them. So पहले हम लोग बोलते थे कि ठीक है, आप उनको छिपकली का वर्ड सुनने से ही प्रॉब्लम होती थी. So we started कि आप पहले छिपकली का नाम लिखना स्टार्ट कीजिए. छिपकली लिखे, दिन में 2 बार लिखिए. एक बार एंग्जाइटी होगी, 2 बार एंग्जाइटी की 10 बार लिखेंगे तो नहीं होगा. फिर हम लोगों ने उनको छिपकली की ड्राइंग दिखाना स्टार्ट किया कि ठीक है, आप छिपकली की ड्राइंग देखिए, आपको एंग्जाइटी होगी, विल सपोर्ट यू इन द सेशन. वी वुड डू इट इन अ कंट्रोल्ड सुपरवाइज्ड मैनर. देन भैया छिपकली को कलर कीजिए. So that way he was managed to gradually overcome his anxiety. This is what we call graded exposure.
Did you ever came to the point जहाँ उनके सामने छिपकली आया?
Yes, he's
लेके आया आप?
नहीं, छिपकली लेके नहीं आए, but now he's driving. He's back to the garage. He's seeing the छिपकली, but he's not responding to that. As I mentioned, मेरा उद्देश्य ये नहीं है कि मैं anxiety आपकी हटा दूँ. It is to build up your coping skills. You need to be able to learn to deal with it. That is my role. That's what we have achieved.
As you said कि अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिग्मा है, ठीक है, लोग उसको आई गई कर देते हैं, लाइक कुछ नहीं है, ऐसे ही है, ये कर लो ठीक हो जाएगा, वो कर लो ठीक हो जाएगा, ऐसे करते हैं हम लोग फैमिलीज में, स्पेशली इंडियन हाउस होल्ड्स में. इट्स वेरी कॉमन. सो लेट्स से इफ अ किड, लेट्स से अ टीनेजर फील्स दैट कि उसको सच में एंजाइटी है, उसने बहुत गूगल वगैरह किया, अपना सिम्टम्स चैट जीपीटी को दिया, उसको पक्का पता एंजाइटी है, बट फैमिली में कोई सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा और वो नहीं जा सकता एक थेरेपी लेने के लिए या फिर साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास में, उसको क्या करना चाहिए?
See, unfortunately, this is a situation I face, and this is a very sad part of the situation. I've had an instance where a